Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Carmine Street. But before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. So basically, this here is the avenue. 6th Avenue going up north, 6th Avenue going south. You can see the Roblox building back there and the antenna of the big behemoth. Now, right here at Carmine Street, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. And now let me show you guys where I am. And that back there is Mineta Street. And the street we're gonna be going is right here, Carmine Street. Let me show you where I am right now. Let me show you where I am. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Anyways. Okay guys, now that you've seen where I am, Carmine Street. And we begin the journey now. So, as you can see, it branches off slightly to the right, going that way, to the west, westbound. And this is Carmine. It's only about 3 blocks long, guys, not that long, but still Carmine Street. ETA about 20 minutes, tops. And as it's going to end up by 7th Avenue South back there, then we head back down here again. Coming up at Carmine Street, Bleecker Street, up there, see? So this is Bleecker Street. And already did this church, guys. This metal church is already done. Look it up in the segment of metal churches. Our Lady of Pompeii Church. I did 2 versions of it, the regular one and the one with the music. Check it out. Our Lady of Pompeii Church. Ave Maria, sin pecado concebido. And we keep moving on, guys. Again, it's only 3 blocks long, guys. So, you know, I'd say 20 or less minutes. And this is the Society of St. Charles, number 27, provincial office. And up there is a big graffiti of love. And we'll keep moving. Check out the roof up there, guys. Now that's gotta be old, man. All that 100+ years, guys, or more. So this is the second block. This is Berimbau. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a Brazilian thing. Okay, so again, this is the second block, guys. The next one should be the last one. Then we head back east again. So this one is going towards the west side. It ends at 7th Avenue South, which becomes another street afterwards. It's what I call the diamond or the crossing paths. So coming up at Carmine, Bedford Street, heading west. And these are some of the restaurants. This is Top Thai Vintage. Most of this area, there's a lot of restaurants. Mostly, it's mostly like Italian, but you know they have still more other restaurants. But because it's Carmine, it's related to Little Italy, the Italians. Carmine Street. Y aquí dice Mexicana de la Patria, Simón. I think it says ja 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 Mexicana. Okay, I figure that's what it means. Dice plantas ja 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 Mexicana. I don't know what that is. The laughing, I guess. And then you see you have here pizzeria, but I think it's out of a spoon-to thin crust. Yeah, I think it's either they're fixing it or out of business. I don't know. And guys, we are on the last leg of the World Cup. We got 6 more days before the last 4 teams meet up and see who wins. And this is Judy Z Sports Tavern and Kitchen. You can also see this one when I did the 7th Avenue South, guys. See? They even have their own bus, man. How great is that? Check it out. And again, guys, coming up at Carmine Street at 7th Avenue South. And again, this is where this street ends. In the middle there is the diamond. So here you got 4 types of streets. 7th Avenue South, Clarkson Street, you got Varick Street, and this is Carmine Street. So that is the diamond in there, guys. And now we keep going this way, and we head back east again. We head back east again. And again, that is the diamond. That's where the streets all are separately. They all start here. See, it says Clarkson. So all these streets start in this point. So right here, in the middle, that's what I call the diamond. Varick Street starts here. Clarkson starts here. That one. South Avenue, 7th Avenue South starts here, and here Carmine starts. If you start from here, all these streets start from this end, but then they end up on the other one. Now we go east back again, guys. This is restaurant and bar. This is La Lico. Now we head eastbound again. Check out the crazy building. Fly. Check out this crazy building, guys. Looks like a pizza from an angle. Now, so again, guys, that is the diamond back there. That's where all these 4 streets or avenues begin here. Like I said, guys, not all the streets keep going on, guys. Some stop there, another starts at the other side. And we keep moving. I'm thinking maybe 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It's only three blocks, guys, so it's not, you know. I've seen a lot of these flowers here, even though they're fake, but it gives them ambient to the place, man. It gives it aesthetics, man. Check it out. That is the is Vera? I think it's Italian. It's Vera. Again, most of the restaurants here are mostly Italian. You got Codino. Just by going on the street which says Carmine, it tells you a lot. Coming up at Carmine Street, Bedford Street, heading eastbound. And again, when I was back in high school, I had maybe 2 or 3 friends with a Carmine, you know? So yeah. Bedford Street. This one is Jack's wife, Freda. I thought it said Frida. Raymond Dumbo. Klein Epstein Parker. Again, I'm trying to look at the buildings, guys, but the only building that's unique is a metal church in the corner. That's it. Ooh, check it out, guys. This is Carmine Street heavy metal guitars. Nice. Handmade customs. Nice. Dude, I didn't know this was here, man. Because literally I'm a collector of guitars and basses, specifically BC Rich. I'm also trying to learn to play both instruments. And this is, I don't know if this is or was or is going to be Greenberg's Bagels. My other flag. Now, again, the only building here is the metal church up there. Oh, check it out, guys. They have like a small park back there. Okay. And this is Slice House Pizzeria. Guys, One more thing, if you ever want to come to Numero 28, I ate here one time, guys. It's really good, so check it out. This is, on Italian, it will be Numero 28, Ristorante, Pizzeria. So if you get a chance, come and check them out, guys. Right here. They're by on the corner of Bleecker Street and Carmine. Or in this case, Carmine and Bleecker Street. So check them out, guys. Numero 28. So check them out, guys. And this is Sondel North. Coming up at Carmine Street, Bleecker Street, heading eastbound. And this park already did the park, so that's under the park segment.
Maşallah tıkır tıkır yazıyor. Doğru. Ne istedim yani?
Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video, and it's maybe 12 minutes tops, guys. 12 minutes. Again, it's only 3 blocks long in total, back and forth. Okay, guys, so let me just end the video here. And again, this is Carmine Street, guys. And as always, I will see you some more time, guys. So this is Carmine Street, 6th Avenue, the Americas, and also known as Father Demo Square. Bye.